Today we're doing a zip line from the top of this mountain over to the other side of the village. This is what we had to go up to begin with, and then who knows what's further up here. Let's see. Yeah.
I trust you guys carrying me up that mountain more than I trust engineering. I would prefer human error than engineering error.
Human error you can understand.
Yeah.
Engineering error, you just expect it to be right.
Yeah. Boys, Michael, Jose, chocolate milk. I carried choppy milk. I don't know if I'm supposed to be saying that. Yeah. I feel weird every time I say it. I started at the bottom and then they lifted me in the Jolene wheelchair. Jolene, which is what they used to like hiking in the national parks in the USA. But I don't think they use it for what we've been using it for.
No. Three. Yeah. So Oaxaca, there. This is going to be a problem.
Why?
It's narrow.
Is it? Don't high five yet.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm high fiving everyone.
Yeah, we got to hold on still. Oh. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. I can high five on you, okay?
It's rocky. Yeah, exactly. The one yesterday going down,
Oh.
it was vertical.
Yeah, my head, this part of me was facing the ground like this,
Yeah.
and my head was looking straight at the ground, and then I started to slip. And they were holding the wheelchair vertical while I was trying to get back into it.
That was great
the boys
fun.
were like, yeah, the boys were like, oh, that was the scariest thing we've done. And I'm like, they literally just seemed so calm.
Whoa.
Do you want to step down there? Oh, you can't. Yeah.
Por allá, ¿no? A la izquierda.
Yep, yep.
I'm looking straight ahead.
I know.
Ya, subimos.
Oh, I'm flipping.
Está resbalando. Okay.
Lift that as high as you can. Yeah. Oh.
It was crazy.
Yeah, I think that's the craziest thing I've ever done.
And it got progressively crazier.
Yeah. You'll call that cliff drops, wouldn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just cliffs with some staircases cut into the side of it.
Yeah.
Not very well.
And they'll just lift me into little crevices and then pull me up. I don't know if the video is going to do it justice of how hectic it was. If you have a good group of people, they read my body language, and if I look stressed, then they know it's
Not good to go.
How's Brad burnt his shoe last night? You can tell we're not from cold climates because we don't even know how close to put our clothes to the fire.
Yeah, she's cooked. Hopefully Mexico City's a bit warmer and I can wear my thongs.
Yeah.
So do you know each other from the village?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were you a naughty teenager?
Yeah, when I was younger, I think I.
Yeah.
Mira, ¡ay, nada! La llegada del equipo, Juanjo.
Snug as a bug. That's the store Brad went to last night to get snacks. 4 lollipops.
5 lollipops.
5 lollipops.
2 lollies.
Yeah. 2 bags of lollies. 2 packets of chips.
Yeah.
A Pepsi. For like $5. We are driving to the airport now. Goodbye. We didn't get to see Jose.
No. He might have had a bit too mezcal last night.
Yeah. Yeah. We are higher than the highest mountain in Australia, and we've been getting really puffed the last few days. Like, we've been hiking a lot and doing a lot of exercise, and each day we're just getting more and more puffed. And last night we both, like, we just couldn't even stand up without getting puffed, and it's because of the altitude. And Jose, who's one of the guys that were helping us, he has a mountain bike tour today. Brad and I don't know how he does it because we're sore. And then Michael tomorrow is going on a 3-day hike. It's like 13 k's a day or something.
Yeah.
They're crazy.
That's why they're on the big bucks.
Yeah. We actually don't know. Okay, COVID update. Brad, how are you feeling? He's got to say good, but he looks like shit. He sounds like shit, looks like shit. You look better than this morning.
That's right.
Yeah. I have a fever. My body's aching. I feel like I'm going to puke.
It's been kind of weird. You get a fever and I get a fever.
Yeah.
Fever getting at the same time.
Yeah. Brad and I have been in this hotel room for 3 days. We moved from the place we're staying in, Mexico City, to here because we were supposed to fly out like 3 days ago, but we couldn't because we were too sick. So we're flying out today. We are at the cargo place picking up Buddy. Buddy, wait, what you doing? Hey man, what you doing, bud? Hey big dog. Hey. Missed you. We got a new house for you. Oof. Do you want me to order an Uber? That's a Honda Civic. Yeah, it's a pet. Three Musketeers again. Hey buddy. Hey Ellie. Hi, we are going for our daily walk. I'm a bit worried because there's a dog flu going around. He's so well trained when he has his service stuff on that you could let go of this and he just stays right by you. Come on. So today is Thanksgiving as well, so it's a bit quieter. I expect there'll be people down at the beaches and chilling out and relaxing. Not like an Australia Day public holiday where everyone's partying, having fun. Buddy, where are we? We're at the dog park. This is where we walk him to every day. Okay. Made a couple of friends. Bud. Want your ball? I think Buddy just went, oh fuck this. Whatever. Sneak, got it. Go time. Go time. This way. That's the best pal. Yeah. She's like, can I give him a piece? And I was like, oh, sure. Like, he already had his eyes on it. And then next minute, all baguette. I was like, fuck, he's gonna choke. And then he ate it all and sat next to her. I was like, oh. Where'd you go? Stalled out. We home, buddy. Did you have fun, buddy? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Did you have fun, Allie? Yeah, that's our day. That's about it. And then this is Buddy's bed or Buddy's bed. And then we have to accommodate him.